Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete avatar we created in WhatsApp. Now you see message box, so click on it, or you see sticker icon, so click on it, and then you see smileys, GIF, you see avatar icon, third option, so click on it. So we created it, but now we are going to delete it, and then you see also pencil icon, so click on it. So this is avatar we created. So now we are going to delete it. Now you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see delete avatar. So click on it. Now you see delete avatar. Your avatar data will be deleted as well as your avatar sticker pack. So click on delete. Now deleting your avatar. Avatar deleted. So you can close editor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.